Hello, I'm in a 2017 MINI Cooper Clubman, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which you can start here, and your display's lit up. And then from here, we can go to our Bluetooth functions, and then here we can manage mobile devices. And then under settings here, double check that your Bluetooth is turned on. So right now it's off, and then also activate it if it wasn't already. So then we can go back, and then there's a limited number of phones you can have added, so you might need to delete a phone before you can add a new one, but we'll try connect a new device. And then whether you want it for calls, Bluetooth, etc. So now from your device, make sure Bluetooth's on, and then usually if you pull, sometimes if you click that, it'll take you to your pairing menu. Alright, so here's the MINI we're looking for, which it said there as well. Sometimes that takes a few minutes to get to, but it came up right away. And then it wants you to match these random numbers it generated, which do match, so we'll confirm that they match. And then just a few more moments, we should be all connected. Alright, awesome. So it shows connected on my device as well as on your interface here. So now you should be able to take phone calls if you want, listen to music, all those sorts of things. Sometimes for newer models especially, you can sync up maps and whatnot as well. And that's it. And then you have through your modes here, you can check through for your Bluetooth, which is right here. So now with that selected, you should be able to play music. And if you're having issues with that, double check from your phone that the volume's on, as well as the volume for your entertainment system here. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.